Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and I know I've been away for a couple of weeks, and it's mostly because I wasn't feeling well, and I just got my voice back, so now we got to play a little bit of catch up. Anyways, I wanted to share with you today the SCT sampler for the month of September. And as always, it comes with a card with a saying on it. So it says, "Today I will be happier than a bird with a French fry." And on the back side, it gives you all the information about the sample kit and where the products came from, etc. So let's get into this. So as always, whenever we have a kit, there's always some sort of main word on the cover card, I guess, the kit card, and SCT always seems to provide an acrylic piece that coordinates with that, so you can see it's the same style, it's just a little bit bigger, so that's included in the kit. And this is a nice thick solid acrylic piece. It's really quite nice. So the other thing that we got from close to my heart is their quatrefoil embossing folder. Let's see the pattern there, and this is a pretty large embossing folder. It seems larger than some of the other ones that I have. It looks like it is about 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. So yeah, so it's definitely bigger than most of the ones that I have. So this will definitely do a card front if that's something you're interested in. We got some round foam adhesive dots from 3L, so Scrapbook adhesives by 3L. You can always use those. And then we got, as always, 2 samples from 2 different collections. Now I have to admit, these go so well together, I had a hard time determining which went with where. So I have to go and look online to see what was what. So the first collection is from My Mind's Eye. It's the Well Hello collection. And we received these enamel dots in this orange. We got some journaling cards. Okay. We got some decorative brads. Piece of the sticker sheet. And then the cardstock. So we got this floral. And these are all 6 by 6, but they are the 12 by 12 scale. So they just cut these into quarters and then send those to us. We get 6 sheets. This one's got ciao, hey, yay, hello, fun, cheer. And the back side is this triangle. Another floral. It's a pretty graphic, bold patterning. Oh, and then some llamas. So if you're not into the llamas, at least you got the flowers on the other side. The colors are bold, vibrant. Yeah, stripe. And then some cacti on the back. You could easily trim these out if you wanted to. Use them as accents. This is a blue with a green plus random all over, and then the other side are these birds. And then there's this really pretty golden yellow with a white leaf line, and on the other side are these hot air balloons. So that is My Mind's Eye Well Hello collection. The samples that we got from there. And then the other collection that they gave us samples from is Field Notes collection by Vicki Boutin. So let's look at the little bits and pieces first before we look at the paper. So we got a watercolor sticker sheet. So the idea behind this is that you can apply watercolor to tint these however you wish. They are all labels that I got in my collection. We've had these from her before. It kind of seems to be her thing, I think, with the last collection. Except that one was more florals, if my memory serves me correctly. So those are quite cool. We also got a part of the chipboard foil phrases. So there is a gold foiling on here. You can see a little bit with the arrows. Live it, one of a kind. That's really cute. We got a couple burlap flowers and some ephemera. Actually, we got quite a few pieces of ephemera. So I got the little tab that says today. You can see that. The feather. And it's got a watercolor look to it as well, like painted look. A little heart. Explore. This is actually 3 different pieces. There's an outer ring, inner ring, and then the circle. It says, blessed are the curious, for they shall have adventures, and right now. So it kind of has a little bit of a travel theme, or maybe a get out and explore the outdoors kind of feel to it. Happiness blooms from within, and then a big floral piece. We did also, oh, I forgot one, and a butterfly. We also got one of her stencils, so that's kind of cool. And it's these big bold butterflies. We received one of their stencils in a previous kit too. Very cool. And then the pattern paper, again, you'll see that the colors are very similar to the other collection. I mean, it is a different vibe, and then it's got more of a watercolor look, whereas the other one is very bold and solid. But you could easily mix and match these to put a layout together. Just some little painted brush strokes, I guess, and then watercolor on the background. Some feathers, and then the floral. Some hearts, that's cute. I really like that. And then this one's beautiful. It's this watercolor black background, and then it has this little branch with leaves on it, and there is some slight texture in there as well. And then this is like a geometric print, and then more watercolor. So that is the collection, or the collection, that's the kit for the month of September. If this is something you are interested, please go to scrapbookandcards.com and look up the SCT sampler. They have all the information there about how much it costs. I know you do have to enroll at least a month in advance, so they have an enrolling period. It's about 2 weeks, and it's usually for not the next month but the month after. So that's something to keep in mind. The longer you subscribe for, the better the deal, but I have yet to be disappointed. I always love everything they give. I think they give you enough that you can complete at least a couple pages if you're a scrapbooker, and you definitely could make a few cards out of these. Every time there's been either a stamp set or some sort of tool like the embossing folder. Overall, it's just, I think it's a really good value for what it is. Anyways, I hope you found this helpful, and if you do, leave a thumbs up below, and until next time, happy crafting.